my name is Ramsey Abadir, and I work at American Endovascular in our Fishkill location. The question is comparing the recovery from uterine artery embolization for treatment of fibroids and hysterectomy. Hysterectomy has been performed for a long time for uterine fibroids, but typically requires either an incision or laparoscopic repair. As such, there are sutures and wounds that need to heal, and the recovery can be anywhere up to 6 weeks from hysterectomy. In comparison, uterine artery embolization essentially is performed through a needle hole, typically in an artery either in the groin or the wrist. And while there is a recovery time of approximately 5 to 7 days, that is mostly for overcoming the symptoms of pain or nausea or cramping after the procedure rather than any incision.